can see there are a lot of materials and texture for the wall and flooring. Yeah, here also. And then you can just simply, for example, by floor, I would pick something to take the place of marble. So then it's changed, but I prefer the former one. So also, it's very easy if you want different materials for different area. For example, usually for the floor, we will simply divide the area, for example, the entrance lobby, and then adapt on another material. For example, another kind of stone tile or something else. Yeah, it's simply illustration. Maybe it's not so. Maybe it's not so. It's okay. It's fine. Okay, so we can save, and for the other, like as you design, for example, you want different material or pattern on your floor, you can just draw the area, put a rectangle or something like that, and then change and then brush another kind of texture onto it. And that is how we change the texture for the floor in our construction tool, which is quite simple. That's all for the floor editor. Thank you and see you next time.